Welcome to the programming part of the model, which is based on traffic light. In this, we need Arduino software. It is easily available on the official site of Arduino. You can download it. You'll open it. See that it's starting. And in tools, see here, first of all, you can see that there is no ArduBlock or such folder. Okay, no ArduBlock. Now you will go to my computer, or in Windows 10 we call it this PC. Then in this PC, in documents, you can see an Arduino library. In the Arduino library, you'll make a new folder. Okay, in this new folder you will name it as tools. Okay, you can name it tools. When you name it tools, it's a case sensitive folder. Remember guys, you cannot change it. You will name it tools only. Then I have ArduBlock. This is a software which makes programming very easily, which helps to program Arduino very easily. Otherwise, programming language of Arduino is very tough. So in this tools folder, you will paste this ArduBlock tool. Now I will close it, and I will close this also. Now I open Arduino again, and this time I'll show you in the tools. You will see ArduBlock. Okay, open it. This is the interface of ArduBlock. In ArduBlock, see, I have clicked on control and then click on loop. Bring this loop in the center. Then go to pins. Select set digital pin. Okay, the set digital pin. Then utilities. In that you will click on delay, simple delay, milliseconds. Okay, and then you will paste it or arrange it under the set digital pin. Then you can clone it. See the clone option. Okay, clone, and put this clone under this. Then clone it again. Okay guys, clone it and put this clone again under this. This is the setup for one LED, so we'll do like this, and we'll make a setup for 3 LEDs, as we have put 3 LEDs. Again set digital pin. Again we will clone it and we'll put it. So you can count it. See, one set. This is the 4 pins in which set digital pins will be 2 and delay will be 2. It will be the one set, and then second set, and then we are preparing the third set. Okay, we need a clone, and we'll put this clone again under this. We'll arrange under this delay. Now you can check one set, 2 set, and underneath third set. Okay, and now in the programming, first of all we'll put here the first LED is connected on pin number 13, so I'll put here pin number 13 high. Okay, then we need the delay of 5 seconds. It means 5000 milliseconds. Okay, then again on next set digital pin you'll program 13, but this time here you'll make it low. Okay, and then you need not to have delay at this place, or we can have just very small fraction for delay. Okay, it will immediately get on. Then on pin number 12 I have put the second bulb and it's high. Then again I will put the time 5000 milliseconds. Again here 12, and this time we'll do it low. Then again a delay of just 10 milliseconds. Okay, then here you will put pin number 11 high. Then here again the delay of 5000 milliseconds. Then here you'll again do 11, but this time here high, you'll do it low. Okay, and delay here will be 0. Okay, so you can see this 12 low, 12 high. This is the basic program for this Arduino project. 13 high, then delay, then 13 low, then a 10 millisecond delay, and then 12 high, then 12 low, then 11 high, 11 low. Okay, so now I'll upload it. Before uploading, you need to connect the Arduino board. You can see the Arduino board, you need to connect it with the USB. Okay, if you want to run it with battery, first of all for coding you need USB, and then you can run it with battery, and if you want to run it with USB, you can run it with USB. Then we'll upload it. See here, it's uploading, compiling sketch. Okay, it's uploading is being done, and done uploading. You can see there the red LED is on, and after 5 seconds the yellow LED is on, and now after 5 seconds the green LED is on. Okay, again it starts. So this is all for the project of traffic light. Thank you guys. If you like it, please like and do subscribe. Thank you.